Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix corrupted game files on Steam. So guys, let's say for example we take a certain game from my library, let us say Black Myth Wukong. Alright, so you just navigate to your game, but the settings for actually fixing the corrupted files will not be here. Okay guys, and now from this screen you just want to press on this manage button, then you go to manage. Then you go to properties, and then you go to installed files, and in here you need to press verify integrity of game files. Just press. So now the Steam client will basically analyze and scan the entirety of your game folder, and it will, of course, while finding some of the missing or corrupt files, it will understand which those are, and Steam will re-download them. So it basically will erase those corrupted files, will download the proper ones, and your game will be fixed. So basically you just need to wait for this integrity scan, okay, to be complete to 100%. After that, the files that were deleted, the corrupt ones, will be deleted and re-downloaded. So you will have in here the new download for the game files that were corrupt, and after that your game will be fixed. Guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy. If it did help, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.